Hi year two. Just going to go through, we're going to revisit some phase 5 first, and then we are going to continue with our phase 6. Okay, so are you ready? The digraphs we have learnt so far. A, E, Oi, Ow. Just make this bigger. I, O, Oo, O, Oo, O, that was O, A, E, I, O, Oo. You, sorry. Gosh, silly Mrs. Cochrane. So like you'd have the flute, so it would be oot. So you'd have the word flute as a word. I'm just saying that there's a sound it makes there, okay? Ooh. Oh, we might go through these tricky words actually quickly. I say he, you say. I say she, you say. I say me, you say. I say be, you say. I say her, you say. I say we, you say. I say they, you say. I say are, you say. I say all, you say. I say was, you say was. Oh, silly Mrs. Cochrane, I said it for you. I say you, you say. I say my, you say. Well done. Okay, I'm going to go on to our phase 6 phonics here. So we're going to look at today, so we've looked at the suffixes with ing, haven't we? We've looked at the suffix with but what I want us to do today is I want us to look at past and present tense. So things that have happened in the past and things that are happening now. Okay, and this will be how you would form a sentence using the past and also the present tense. So let's have a read of these sentences first. Okay, so we've got here, yesterday we met our friends, full stop. Today, have I missed a word out there, everybody? Today I'm meeting our friends. Today I'm meeting our friends. No, that doesn't make sense, does it? I need to add in the word we. Well done if you spotted that mistake. Today we are meeting our friends. That looks better, doesn't it? Today we are meeting our friends. So if we have compared these two sentences, which one do you think is in the past, so has already happened, and which one do you think is happening now? Okay, so if you read them two sentences, which one do you think has already happened, and which one do you think is happening now? Pause this video and chat to the person next to you, or if you are at home, chat to your grown-up at home about which one you think has already happened, so it's already in the past, and which one you think is happening now, okay? Okay, I hope you've had a good conversation about that. So if I said yesterday, that's something that's already happened, isn't it? It's something that's in the past because it's already happened at a different time. It's not happening now, it's already happened. It's something that we have already done because we are saying it's yesterday. So it's already happened. So yesterday is the past. Do you know what I'm going to do actually? I'm going to highlight this in a different colour. I'm going to put the past in green and the not green. That's red for a start. I'm going to put the past in red, and I'm going to put the present in green. So the past is in blue and the present is in green. So we're going to go past. That's the past, isn't it? Because we're talking about something that has already happened. So I'm going to put that in blue. Okay. Yesterday we met our friends. I've already done that. It's happened in the past. Today we are meeting our friends. Today we are meeting our friends. Okay, that shouldn't be underlined either. Silly Mrs. Cockram. Let me take off the underlining there. Today we are meeting our friends. That's happening now, isn't it? It's happening today. So I'm going to put that green because it's the present. It's happening now. And can you see these two words? Meet and meeting. Can you see them both? That is the same word, but it's changed because it's the same word, but it's changing because it's been used in the past and it's been used in the present tense. So yesterday we met our friends. Today we are meeting our friends. So it's changed the meaning of those words, hasn't it? Okay. Let's have a look at this sentence. Let's read this first. Yesterday I ate my dinner. Today I am eating my dinner. Okay. What is the difference between the sentences and has the meaning changed? Have a think about which one you think is in the past and which one you think is in the present. Yesterday I ate my dinner. Today I am eating my dinner. Okay. Shall we have a go? Shall I highlight it first? See if you can tell when I highlight it which it is. See if you can see which colours I've represented to the meaning. Oh, that's a different shade of blue. Silly Mrs. Cockram. Doesn't matter though. Yesterday is in the past, so I've highlighted that in blue. I ate my dinner. Today, I am eating my dinner. They are both different sentences because one of them's talking about something that's already happened. And can you see these words here? Ate and eating. Ate and eating. Isn't it? Yesterday I ate my dinner. Today I am eating my dinner. Okay, so I just paused it there. So I'm just coming back to where we were up to. So we were looking at the past and the present tense. So what I would like us to do now is I would like us to change these sentences that Mrs. Cockram is going to write now for you. Okay, so we're going to change some sentences from the past tense to the present. So your job is going to be to change it from the past into the present. So Mrs. Cockram's going to write it in the past, and then you're going to rewrite it in the present. See if you can have a go at doing that, okay? So are you ready? Have you got a pencil? Have you got a pen? And we are ready to go, okay? My sentences are here, ready for you. So we're going to read this first one together. Yesterday, I watched Mrs. Cockram on the computer. I want you to now turn that sentence into the present tense, okay? So you need to change that from the past tense to the present tense. You might need to keep repeating that sentence, okay? Then have a look at the next one once you've done that. So you don't need to pause it and then press play for the next part. Yesterday, I played with my brother. Okay, so then I want you to change that from the past tense into the present tense. Yesterday, we helped our mum do some jobs. Okay, so I want you to change that from the past tense to the present tense. I'm going to get you to pause this video now and then have a go at writing those sentences and changing them from the past to the present. So what is happening today. You might change it from how we've done it already from yesterday to today. Okay. Okay. Are we ready to have a go at filling in, doing some shared writing and filling this part in now? If it's going to let me. I knew this would happen. It's gone right the way. Let me go find it again. Let's go back. Back. Here we are. Yesterday. So, today, I was what? Do you know what? You could have this still as watched, couldn't you? Watched Mrs. Cockram. You could still have had that as today I watched, but you could also have it as today I was watching Mrs. Cockram on the computer. So we could have still had that as I watched, couldn't we? Yesterday I played with my brother. Today I was playing with my brother. And I'd like us to highlight the first of it. It doesn't have to be in blue and green, but just so we've got it highlighted to represent the past and the present, so I know that you know what they mean. Mrs. Cockram's going to highlight hers now. So I'm going to go up here. Yesterday we helped our mum do some jobs. Today we are helping our mum do some jobs. Full stop. Highlight that in green. That is amazing. So what I'd like you to do now that you've had a go at that is see if you can have a go and come up with some of your own sentences and have them from the past and the present. So you could have it from, it doesn't even have to be yesterday, it could be last week I went to the park. And then you could maybe have last week I went to the park, next week, and you could be doing something different, couldn't you? It's just about getting used to last week, not last week, past tense and present tense, because it changes the words. So can you see here the words have changed from watched to watching. Watched to watching. That's an ed suffix, and we're going to be looking at that ed suffix next week. So next Monday and Tuesday we're going to be doing phase 5 phonics again, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we're going to look at phase 6, okay? So and we'll keep revisiting this all the time, so we're not going it all too quickly. So we might revisit everything we've done so far next week, okay? But keep up your amazing jobs at home and your amazing work. I'm just going to change this font here because I don't think you can read it very well. It's not very clear, is it? And I want to pause this video, you to pause it here so you can see it if you want to, okay? So you could pause this here so you can see this a little bit more clearly, okay? Have a lovely day, everybody, and well done for another great phonics session. I hope you're all enjoying it. And yeah, have a great day. Get on with lots of learning. You are all amazing. Well done. Bye.